Row 18, plot 20.
Hey everybody, welcome to Now It's Dark. I'm Jim. Today we are doing a NECA Toy Capsule unboxing. Today is the Halloween 2 set. There are 9 capsules. This was bought at Walmart. They had a huge selection of different packages of these capsules. Halloween 2 is this theme. This is a second edition. There was obviously a first edition, I believe it was last year, and I have some of that stuff on display. So let's dive in. It looks like one of these capsules may have been already opened, so I'll try to be strategic. Oh, you know what? We're going to do a thing. You can see I have some other ones here. So we're going to open these together. Looks like a Michael sticker. Let's see. Ooh, this one's heavy. The famous eraser. I like that. Here's the one that was empty, or open already, so there's a loose item in there somewhere. Here's the wrist band. Kind of cool. Was open as well. This is a keychain. Alright. Not sure what you would call this, like a luggage tag maybe? I do like that image though. Love that image. Alright, this is the patch. What do we got here? Ooh, the pen. Nice metal pin with 2 backs. I dig it. Okay, here's one of the loose items. Looks like this is a magnet. Alright, this is the last one. Should be a lanyard, yeah. Oh no, shoelaces. Interesting. These are cool. I have a pair of orange Converse that these might look cool on. Alright, so that's going to do it for the Halloween 2 NECA 2nd edition capsule unboxing. There's all the goodies. Let me know if you've picked up any of these capsules. I got these at Walmart, and as you saw on the table, there will be a series of capsule unboxings on the channel, so make sure you subscribe, hit the like if you enjoyed it or if you're just feeling generous, and have a great day.